In Afghanistan, gunmen kill at least 27 civilians at a ceremony in Kabul. The attack comes days after a peace deal between the United States and the Taliban. In Syria, a ceasefire between Russian President Vladimir Putin and Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan goes into effect in the country's northwest. In Tunisia, 2 suicide bombers attack outside the U.S. Embassy in Tunis, killing a policeman and injuring several others. And in Iran, crews clean Tehran's longest road and other surfaces in the city to help stop the spread of COVID-19.